Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I really enjoyed playing Zelda Breath of the Wild and Twitch streaming it. Last video, I was trying to download the videos from Twitch and upload it to the YouTube Live tab, but I think the only way for me to get videos on both of them is to do multi-streaming. No idea how to do that. Let's do some research. Okay, I really like this video by Last Curry. He recommended to download this Aitum vertical plugin. It's free. I got it right here. Gonna go ahead and install that, go back to his video to figure out how to get that over into OBS. That was pretty easy. After I installed it, I was able to get one for Twitch, one for YouTube. You're gonna have to go into settings here and make sure to enter all of your Twitch information for this one. And then over here, you're gonna go to this gear icon, make sure to enter all of your YouTube streaming stuff over here. Don't share the stream key with anybody. Let's try to go live. That was pretty easy. We are live on the YouTube. For that, I had to click this button to start. And for Twitch, when I wanted to start streaming there, I clicked this button. We have sources for both. So if I want to mess with these sources, it will change that screen. And if I wanted to mess with these sources, it will change the vertical one. Now I also have the option to stream vertically if I want to try the TikTok in the future. Let's go ahead and beat this Lionel over there. But for now, video 245 done.